Hello, I am Sarbasish Kumar Pal. Today I teach you derivatives for JEE, Joint Entrance Examination. Some important derivative. Some important derivative. Okay. Now my first derivative. If y equal to 2 by root a square minus b square, tan inverse root a minus b a plus b tan x by 2, then show that dy by dx equal to 1 by ab cos x and d2y by dx to b sin x by a plus b cos x whole square. How can you differentiate? So taking differentiate with respect to dx, so here dy by dx, here dy by dx, 2 root a square minus b square tan inverse root a minus b a plus b tan x by 2. Then constant term will be outside of the derivative. This is the rules of derivative. So 2 root a minus b square d by tan inverse this. So we know the tan inverse z differentiate 1 by 1 plus z square. Now dz by dx, here z, dz, that is z, so dz by dx, its derivative, it's root a minus b a plus b outside of the derivative, and tan x by 2 derivative sec square x by 2 and x by 2 derivative half. Then cutting it, we get 1 by root a square minus b square root a minus b a plus b sec square x by 2 1 plus a minus b a plus b tan square x by 2. Okay, then simplify, we get a plus b plus a minus b tan square x by 2 by a plus b. Then taking numerator root a minus b a plus b, then it's cutting root a plus b, so root a minus b into root a plus b root a square minus b square by denominator root a square minus b square. Then we divide sec square x by 2 by denominator. Here we get sec square x by 2 by sec square x by 2, that is equal to 1. So a, and here 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, that is equal to cos 2 x by 2. So cutting, here we get a plus b cos whole square and here we cutting cutting a, and this is the formula of cos 2x, so cos 2 into x by 2, hence a plus b cos x. Now derivative of this, again derivative, so minus coming and a plus bx to the power minus 2, that is a plus b cos x whole square, and b cos x derivative minus b sin x, hence b sin x by a plus b cos x whole square. Okay, now my second derivative, if x be less than unity, prove that 1 by 1 plus x, 2x by 1 plus x square, 4x cube by 1 plus x 4, 8x 7 by 1 plus x 8 plus dot dot infinity 1 minus x. Since x is less than 1 greater than 0, so we can write x to the power n equal to 0, as because it is fraction. When n tends to infinity, that is n tends to infinity, that is 0. Now we can write a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square formula. Again we 1 plus x squared, then it makes 1 by x4. If we put 1 plus x4, then 1 minus x8. If in this way, if you write this and last 1 plus x2 to the power n minus 1, then you multiply 2 and you get 1 minus x2 to the power n. When n tends to infinity, so x tends to infinity, then x tends to infinity will be 0 as because x is a fraction, so you can write this. Now taking log both sides, so log this is multiplication, this is 1, so log a plus log b plus log c plus log d plus, in this way it is the multiplication formula of log, that is equal to 0, and differentiating both sides we get 1 minus log 1 minus x, 1 by 1 minus x, minus x equal to minus 1, that is 1 by 1 plus x, x1, that is 1 by x square 2x, that is 1 by 1 plus x 4x cube, that is 1 by 1 plus x8 8x7 plus dot dot dot, that is equal to 0. So you can write 1 by 1 plus x plus 2x by 1 plus x square plus 4x cube by 1 plus x4 plus 8x7 by 1 plus x8 plus dot 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 equal to 1 minus x. Okay, thank you.